Ever wished you could rewind the clock on your Excel data and flip it upside down? Today, we're diving into a powerful Excel trick how to invert your data, whether that's flipping rows or columns, to unlock new ways of analyzing and presenting your information. This is incredibly useful for spotting trends in reverse or simply reorganizing your sheets for clarity. Let's say you have a column of data you need to reverse first. Select the entire column you want to invert. Now, we'll create a temporary helper column right next to it in the first cell of this new column. Type a simple formula. The formula is simply equals row. Press enter. Now, use the fill handle, that little square at the bottom right of the selected cell, and drag it down to apply this formula to every row of your data. You'll see a sequence of numbers appearing in this new column. Next, right-click on the header of this helper column and choose Sort. In the Sort dialog box, select your helper column, and then choose to sort it from largest to smallest. Click OK. Watch as your original data column is now perfectly reversed. Once your data is inverted, you can simply delete the helper column if you no longer need it. This same principle applies to inverting rows. Simply select the row you want to reverse. Create a temporary helper row below it and use the formula equals column in the first cell. Then drag it across to fill the entire row. Just like before, right-click the helper row's header, select Sort, and sort the helper row from largest to smallest. And there you have it. Your row of data is expertly flipped. Inverting data in Excel is a straightforward yet incredibly versatile technique that can significantly improve your data analysis and presentation. Try it out for your next project.